Subsurface drip irrigation is used widely throughout Australia, but as yet has not made a huge impact in the cotton industry. However, water savings and increased yields on some soil types means that some cotton growers are keen to use the system. Here at Narromine, the Sustaining the Basin Farm Modernisation Project is funding subsurface drip on Bungali. One of the advisors to the project is the manager of Darling Irrigation, Ivan Truscott.
It's allowed our clients to put drip and other systems in place on some of their better ground. Traditionally, farmers have put this sort of technology down the back paddock where they can't flood irrigate, and due to this, yields haven't been that great. So it's allowed farmers, because it's expensive. It's not a cheap alternative. It's an expensive alternative, but it's allowed them to put better production on their better paddocks, and they can see the yields. They can see the benefits. It's also all about energy saving. Water's getting more expensive, fuel's getting more expensive. It's allowing farmers to put water where they need it, when they need it, rather than a blanket approach. Gives them savings, and it's all about cost savings and yields. We're not going to get paid more for the products. So we have to look at alternatives, and if you're not going to earn more, you've got to look at growing the crop cheaper and better, and using the efficiencies and the technology out there to allow you to do that.
So from your experience, what will be the regional benefits to with the sacrifice of water with a more efficient system?
Regional benefits is, your biggest problem with buying water back is you're taking water out of production, which loses jobs. And that's not just the farmers' jobs, that's not just blokes working on the farm, that's my job, that's DPI's. There's people in every industry that are going to lose jobs because you're taking water out of the system. By paying over the odds for water and encouraging farmers to put water saving devices in, your production's staying the same, if not improving. So although you're losing water out of the community, your infrastructure's improving, so it's allowing you to keep the same amount of production on each place, and if not improve production, because the key with drip is it gives you a whole lot of alternatives to what you grow and when you grow it. So you could, it may become more labour intensive, which would increase jobs. So I think in terms of buying water back, if you're going to do it, this is certainly the best way to do it.